What's going on, guys? Today we're back out here at Canaveral National Seashore. It is a beautiful sunrise this morning. It is right about 6:30. Sun is just coming up. It's low tide right now. Tide's coming in. I believe it was low tide 6:20, so we're right at low tide right now. Tide's just switching around. So hopefully we can maybe catch some whiting, maybe some small redfish, maybe a pompano. We'll see. Got some of my frozen fleas here. Bag just pulled out of the freezer. They're still frozen. Just fishing a basic Pompano rig. Double dropper with a 1/0 circle hook. And it's putting a sand flea on each hook. Reset the Sputnik, just like that, good to go. And there we go, one out, one to go. Same deal over here, double dropper rig. Sputnik on the bottom. And a sand flea on each hook. And there we go, all set, good to go. Oh, we got a bite. I was trying to put sunscreen on. Oh, he's on there, he's on there. Just trying to put some sunscreen on. Fish tried to take advantage of me. He thought he could get my flea when I wasn't paying attention. Oh, ho, ho, ho. A little Pompano. Little baby Pompano. That's a nice surprise. Oh, easy, buddy, easy. Oh, baby Pompano. Oh, you know we got to measure him. He looks about an inch short, but I got to measure him. Oh, easy, buddy. I'll let you go if you're short. Oh, he is like a 1/4 inch short, a 1/2 inch short. Dang it. All right, little buddy, it's your lucky day. Little stunted growth pompano, it's your lucky day. Well, that was quick. Sometimes you just got to work these fleas on like this, like just slowly working them back and forth, because if that shell cracks, they tend to lose a lot of their integrity, and you can't really cast them. They come off the hook really easy. All right, reset the Sputnik. All right, good to go. Alright, good to go. Let's see if I can get my sunscreen on now. Oh my gosh. Can't even get my sunscreen on this morning. I don't know if he's still on here. Doesn't feel like it, unless he ran towards shore. Oh yeah, there he is. He was just running towards shore. Classic Pompano maneuver. Oh, a little whiting. Little whiting, and I hooked myself. There we go. Look at that cute little guy. Easy, buddy. Easy. Nice. Wow. We had a bite. We had a bite. Yeah, he's on there. Yep. Sometimes they pick it up and run right to shore. The line will go tight, go slack on you. Oh, maybe he's off. Uh-oh. Bird hit the line. Bird flew into the line. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Good? All right, buddy. Good to go. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Gotta be a pompano. Went slack. Yeah, it feels like a pompano. Doing the pompano cut, running sideways. Pompano! Oh, keeper! Keeper pomp! Keeper pomp! Ooh! Probably barely keeper, but he's a pompano. Well, yeah, he's legal. Well, oh my gosh, buddy, stop.
Let's just have a pompano poke it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's 11 and a half. And for the release. Alright guys, that is going to do it for today. Thank you for watching. Not a bad day out here. I caught that one legal pompano, which was much more than I expected. This time of year I expect they all be north of here, but one legal pomp, one short pomp, and one low whiting, but not too bad. It's about, what is it? It's 9:15 now. The bite's pretty much shut off this last probably haven't caught anything in an hour and a half or so at least. So a couple hits right there at sunrise, but kind of shut off, and that's kind of typical for this time of year. But still had a great day out here, and thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you next time.